Hi, and welcome to our 24th 52-week Blender Challenge video. This time we're going to make some cuffs. Um, so yeah, let's get started. They're wooden cuffs with just a little bit of metal pieces. So let's see. What we're going to do is we're going to do some symmetry to this, which is delete here. Actually, don't delete. Um, we're not going to make them too symmetrical. I mean, scale, we're not going to worry too much about it. All right, X like this, SC like that. That's pretty good. All right, now let's cut this in half. Edit mode, Control R. No, not. All right, that's what we want. Let's press 3, then break this in half, and we're going to add a mirror modifier. Faces only, and the Y direction. All right, good. Now let's do some editing. All right, so break it in half here, which is just this. Control R. All right. Bring it here to the, actually no. Control C, Control R. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now go to edit mode. No, don't go to edit mode. Let's bring this down. Press 3, G, Y, C, sorry. Like this. That's not working. Control R. Like that right there. We don't want it too big though. Alright. Now let's select this edge right here. GC. And we're gonna bring this GY. Bring this right about here. And then we're gonna make this curve around, so which is just this. It's like that, and do some beveling. Sorry for the weird noises. That is not what we want. Actually, yeah, it works. Nice. Like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do across the C-axis. Nope, that's fine. That's fine. That's what we want here. Go to tab, edit mode. No. Control R. Get rid of this right here. Control R. Oh, get out of X-ray mode. Sorry. Control R like that. Control R like this. Get out of that. Control R and do like sweet. Sorry. All right. Control R. 3. Control R. That's good. Okay. Now select these two faces right here. E. Like that. Then Control R. Actually, no. Control R. Like this. Then Control R. Like that. Control R like this. And we're going to get rid of these faces right here. Delete edges. Delete edges. All right. And we're going to connect them all F, 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 F. All right. All right, sweet. Now let's select this edges right here and do some beveling again. Sweet. Press apply. Actually, no. Tab, edit mode, get out of that. Apply. Sweet. Now let's duplicate this. Let's see. G, C, go down. Press 3. All right. G, C. Like that. Press object, set origin to 3D cursor right here. Now we add the mirror modifier. And then press C. That is what we want. Press apply. Press edit. Press 3 X-ray mode. Select everything here. P by selection. Tab edit mode. Select this one, and then tab edit. We're going to delete pretty much everything here in the face wise. Delete. All right, sweet. And then select all the faces here. Get out of X-ray mode to make your life easier. All right. Nope. All right. Face mode, then E. Don't select E yet. Select this. Face. All right. Now go to face mode. All right. Press 3. X-ray mode. Press E. Up. And that's about good size. Then press tab edit mode. Get out of edit mode. Then choose C. They lock in place. The wrists are tiny, but they're not bad. Okay. Select both. S, X. Make them a little thinner so they look more proportional to something people would actually wear. All right, let's see what we broke. GC. Oh no, all good. Sweet. All right, and that's pretty much it. Let's add some coloring just to make this video last a little longer. Like that. Please don't crash on me. Stop crashing. All right, make it so we can actually see the color. brownish. That's more of a wood color, right? Yeah, that's more wood color. All right, and then tap edit mode, press 1, go to face mode, x-ray mode, select all these faces right here. Then go to new material, over here, assign, make this grayish. Make it metallic, smooth it out just a little bit, and I guess get out of x-ray mode. And that's pretty much it, to be honest. Tab, we have our wooden handcuffs here. We could do some auto smooth shading, so depending on the angle that we use, it'll smooth out more. Here it goes closer to this, and as you decrease the angle, you see how smooth it gets or doesn't get, and that way we don't break our geometry. Because I think if we just go shade smooth, it's going to look like a giant mess.